Today, we're going to be talking about the Amazon SEO and how to rank higher on its webpage. We'll go into the A9 algorithm and how keyword-focused sales are the difference between a failing product and a successful one. It's important to understand the fundamentals of how the Amazon algorithm works. If you do this, that means you have a better chance of ranking higher on the Amazon search page. So you might be asking right now, what makes us qualified to give you advice? Well, we know the A9 is a search algorithm developed by Amazon and used on their website. We have been studying the A9 and what makes it tick for a long time. We've managed to boost rankings in high competition keywords for over 300 ASINs, and our original rank process is unmatched and has boosted revenue consistently amongst our partners. We've run over 600 case studies in dozens of different niches for hundreds of different products on Amazon. The Amazon A9 algorithm has one job: answer the customer's query with products that are most likely to sell. Although it shares some similarities with Google, unlike Google, Amazon's focus is converting sales. It wants happy customers, quality products, and money. The number one best way, hands down, to win over Amazon's algorithm and end up on that number one page is through keyword-focused sales. But to ensure you are ranking, you have to track all organic keyword rankings, using this data to reinvest into ranking the right terms and not blowing money on the ones that are not converting. A lot of people highly underestimate the importance of using effective keywords in descriptions and headlines. You get this wrong, and your product has very little chance of succeeding. Amazon SEO consists of two things: on-page optimization and sales. This is then split into sub-factors: on-page optimization, keyword research, competition analysis, and some others we'll get into later. Sales are then split into organic sales through search queries, PPC on Amazon, traffic through Google, and a lot more strategies. Sales should be your primary goal and what Amazon rewards. Simply put, Amazon will rank products that generate them the most revenue. Even if your on-page optimization is terrible, but you have the best product at the best price and sell thousands more than your next competitor, you'll still rank first. But all sales are not created equal. What you should be aiming for are keyword-focused sales. A keyword-focused sale basically involves a user searching a specific keyword within Amazon to purchase a product. The number of keyword-focused sales needed to rank depends 100% on the specific competition for that keyword phrase. Organic keyword-focused sales are undoubtedly the largest factor for ranking, but if it's your sole source of sales, you'll struggle over time. What we recommend is either targeting multiple keywords at once, as well as combining the keyword-focused sales technique with other Amazon sales strategies. If you're looking for industry-leading experts to handle this for you, you can purchase product rankings straight from us. For now, let's dive into a quick example of how you can get those keywords in first. This will be the main component of what we need to do after, which is keyword tracking. What's up guys, so I just wanted to give you a quick example of how you can search for products or find keywords for a product you already have in mind. I'm just going to make this quite quick, I don't want to take up too much of your time, so I've gone ahead and already pre-searched for a lantern. Now, what you can do is with Amazon, they already know what people are searching based on their suggestions. So if you type in lantern, right, it can come up with lantern lights, lantern battery, lantern torch. What Amazon is telling you is that these are the products that people are searching for right now. So it's mainly accessories. So let's say we're looking for lantern lights, right? So we have lantern lights here. We'll go ahead and take the descriptive words from it. So we have lantern, because the title is very important, especially the description. So we have lantern, we have hiking, power cuts, outdoor lights, right? We have the, I'm not sure what that actually is. I'm not lantern savvy, but we have some details about it. So we can just type in camping lantern, 1000 lumen LED. What you should have put here as well on top of that is maybe the color, like green. But anyway, you can go ahead and type that in here, and this is a search tool called Keyword Tool, and it comes up with a bunch of different websites you can try and search through. So you can do it on Google, you can do it on YouTube, Bing, eBay, whatever, but what we're looking for is Amazon. So we click on that, we type in lantern, and what do we search for? Lantern lights, right? So we type in lantern lights. And here we are. They've actually updated. The last time I used them, it looks a lot different, but they've updated now. Now they actually have the search volume, which is really, really nice. So unfortunately, I don't have the pro version of this. But I do know if you have the pro version of this, what you can do is click here by search volume, and it will rearrange these keywords for you, going from the highest search volume to the lowest. Then what you want to do from that is you want to test out a few other keywords. So maybe from typing lantern lights, you might want to type in what was the other ones, say lantern oil. Okay, so let's pretend this says 20,000, right? Now let's pretend this one says 50,000. That tells us that lantern oil outdoor, is a more popular product right now than lantern lights. So what you're going to want to do from there is grab your chosen keywords, right? The ones with the highest volume, the highest trending CPC, lowest competition. Grab them and store them in your chosen files. So I have Excel here, and I basically have all my keywords stored here for a different product, but I actually got these keywords using Ahrefs, but Ahrefs works a little bit differently. But you can still use Ahrefs. What you can do is actually go on a website that's selling lanterns. So I have Homebase here, type in the URL for the website here in the search bar, press search, go into the organic keywords here, and it does the same thing for you. This is paid right now, which is why it's showing me the volume and everything. I'm not sure if you can do it on a free version. You have to give it a try, but that's basically the gist of how you find your keywords. So after all this is done, you go live. Once live, Amazon's algorithm will crawl your listing and analyzes content to determine what you are selling. It will then categorize the on-page content and combine it with all other signals to rank you in a certain position based on what the customers are searching for. So now you know how to find your effective keywords, but your job isn't finished here. Something that works on Amazon today might not work tomorrow, so you constantly need to be tracking your keywords and making sure they're doing their job. If they're not, then we just want to switch them out for some others using the methods that we went through before. Organic rankings for your specific keywords should be considered a major e-commerce KPI to your Amazon business, as any drops will massively impact sales. Organic ranking drops usually result in drops in organic sales, and hence usually cannot be attributed back to the specific metric, leading to further drops due to the A9 algorithm. Basically, sales equals rankings and rankings equals sales. Keyworks do this for you automatically on a daily basis. Once you spot the problems and identify the potential reasons for drops, it becomes infinitely easier to fix the impacted listings. We highly recommend using something like this so you can see what's going on with your listings without manually searching hours a day. Keyworks accurately tracks and reports all organic keyword positions inside of Amazon, giving you easy access to the exact keyword positions that are the difference between a passively profitable Amazon business and one that is only breaking even or worse. We'll also directly show you what keywords will result in the most sales, and will offer insight as to how to more efficiently target these keywords. This allows your business to reinvest, replicate, and scale the methods that work while disregarding the ones that don't, saving you money and helping to stimulate growth in the long term, all for one of the lowest subscription costs of any Amazon research tool. Keyworks makes it incredibly simple to track your keyword ranking every day. It's immediate, it's easy, and it's simple to understand. Visit us on www.keyworks.com. Now you know how to increase and track those rankings. Time for some profit. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Be sure to subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time.